Hey, today we're at Funtown RV, and we're doing a review on a 26-foot travel trailer. And as always, in Redneck Mafia's videos, for the reviews and the walkarounds, the description will be in the link below. So go ahead and give them a shout out. And if you come up here, it's in Surprise, Arizona. If you come up here, y'all tell them Redneck sent you. It might do something, it might not, who knows. But anyway, the link will be in the description below. Stay rowdy, stay redneck, stay blessed. Redneck out.
Driving the campfire nights, Funtown RV makes everything right. Got sales folks smiling like they've known you for years, friendly as a tailgate full of ice cold beers. From big old bum houses to weekend rigs, Funtown RV, dreaming big. Funtown RV, let the fun roll on from dusk till dawn. Keep the adventure strong. So if you're looking for, I've just built your own combat after and no top and treat home.
Welcome back to the channel, Rednecks. Well, today we are at Funtown RV. Doing a walk around on a vintage Yellowstone. Tandem axle. Don't know the exact size yet, but we'll get there and look at it. Let me get you, turn around here and get you a good view. There she sits right there. Got a tandem axle. Got your normal aluminum steps there. Here you got your cable, antenna, and your power outlets, and your TV mount right there. You also got a power awning. I'm going to show you the controls of that in just a second. Got a nice little pass-through storage area there. You can put a lot of stuff in that one. It's coolers. Well, a beer, of course, or soda if you don't drink beer. All your tents and camping chairs if you need an extra tent or whatever. All your stuff can go in there. Nice pass through. Got your leveling jacks right there. You do have a battery. You got dual propane tanks. You got your lift jack, power lift jack. Give you a good look at that. There's the other side you pass through. You do have a slide out on this one. There's the name of it. That's it. You do have your tandem axle. Knock right here on the other side. You got your city water connection, your shore power, your satellite, your cable. Most campgrounds that have cable. It is a vintage Yellowstone by Gulfstream. So now let's take a walk around inside here, and we'll look at her. There we go. There's all your controls, your water heater, all your lights, your power antenna, awning retraction, slide out in or out. Nice stainless steel sink right there. Pretty good storage inside this one too. So it's not too bad. You got your microwave, your 3-burner stove. Got more storage down here. You got your drawers. All your drawers there. Got a pretty good sized fridge right there too. See inside there a little bit. Freezer there. There's your satellite charge controller. You got your AC unit right there. You have more storage down here. Got a nice sized little shower in it for a camper. You know, for a small trailer like this. And it's pretty good size. Here, let me give you the eye level. That's my eye level. So it's not too bad for even a guy, even a redneck that's about 6'5" and about 260. It's got pretty good, I can maneuver in it pretty good. Now let's, here's the master. We've got a good sized queen bed. Got all your storage compartments up there. Little closets. Cute little curtains in it. I mean, it's not my style, but they're cute little curtains. Always change it up a little bit. Your TV mount for your bedroom. Now we're going to step into the business area for those mornings. Got a nice little vanity unit right here. Got a medicine cabinet. And we do have, it's got a porcelain seat to it. Let me show you that real quick. Got a nice little porcelain seat. Oh, hi everybody. So now we'll go out here. And by the way, that right there is redneck approved. Shut this. And you got your couch right here. Those days you just want to sit and just relax or whatever without getting outside. Nice little storage compartment. Little one, not big. You got an extra door clasp. That doesn't have it, but you got an extra one in there in case one goes bad or whatever. You got nice little storage right here. A stereo. Nice little storage compartment. And you got your, I'll put this on there. Y'all can pause the video if you want to read that, blow it up, screenshot it, whatever you want to do to it. Nice little table. Fitting here pretty good. So it's not too bad. There's nice little lamps right there. An on and off switch. So now let me set this down. And we'll talk about this old bad girl. Set y'all right there. There we go. Y'all, here is the Funtown RV exclusive add-ons for this one. This includes a FT RV quality assurance camp ready package. That's included. Your dealer prep, that's included. There's no hidden fees. Soft shower door. Lure Ashley design package and Yellowstone package, and all that is included. The stock number on this one is 215691. The make is Yellowstone Vintage. Model number is 23RSS. The width is 7 feet 6 inches. Gross vehicle weight is 6,100 pounds. That's not too bad. That's fully loaded. The length is 26 overall from tip to back. The dry weight is 4,000 pounds. The color is Ashley. The MSRP on this one is $45,010.68. Now, they do a thing here is they cut prices down. It's everyday low price for $34,988. Now that's not a bad price for, say, a 26-foot trailer, travel trailer. That's a pretty good size. Inside, nice quality workmanship. Of course, Gulfstream's a pretty good manufacturer. Got all your lights in it. I mean, it's set. So let's do a couple more little look-arounds right here. Just spun back around. Put your TV remote right there. All your plugs. It is pre-wired for Wi-Fi, so you can put your Wi-Fi in here. Do your editing. Get all your lights. Nice little vent right here. Granted, it's a hand crank, but you know, is what it is. Still get some air through there, or smoke out if somebody thinks the smoke detector is a beeper or a timer. You got lights. You got lights above the sink and above the stove. You got a microwave. You got basically pod lights throughout. And here's the soft door for the shower. So that's not. Well, that's not too bad. So guys, that's going to conclude the walk around of this vintage Yellowstone by Gulfstream. All right, y'all, that's going to end the video today. Remember, out here in the holler, the fun don't stop. It just gets crazier. Now, y'all keep them beers cold, them stories wild, the lawnmowers run mostly, and keep them RVs well maintained so you can get back out there and do it again. Till next time, stay rowdy, stay redneck, and stay blessed. Redneck out.
When you're ready for adventure, there's only one way. Fun Town RV, let the good times play. From fifth wheels to haulers, travel trailers, to they got something on the lot that's perfect.